Let's explore nature. Hi there, curious explorers! Welcome to Let's Explore Nature. Today, we're going on a fantastic virtual nature walk to discover the wonders of the great outdoors. Are you ready to start on this exciting journey with me? Let's go! Oh! I really like this waterfall. Look at this beautiful forest. It's home to a lot of really cool animals, like this little monkey. Let's be quiet and see if we can spot some more animals. In different parts of the forest, we can see different animals like this squirrel, and rabbits, and birds. Do you see that fluffy creature hopping around? It's a rabbit. Rabbits run very fast and have long ears that help them hear better. They munch on delicious veggies, which makes them herbivores. Look at the duck swimming around. Isn't it cute? Oh, look at this pond, there are fish everywhere. See those ducks? They're really good swimmers and love to dive underwater to find tasty fish and insects to eat. Up there, we have a bird's nest. Birds build nests to lay their eggs and raise their babies. Isn't that fascinating? Look! A bear has come down for a swim, and maybe catch a fish to eat. Okay, let's explore the fascinating world of plants. Plants are amazing, because they make us clean air to breathe. They breathe in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, just what we people need, to stay healthy. Look at these colorful flowers. They attract bees and butterflies with their sweet nectar. As the bees and butterflies move from one flower to another, they help plants make fruits and seeds. Wow! It's a waterfall. Waterfalls are made when water flows over a steep edge of rocks. They are important for providing fresh water to people, plants and animals in the area. Oh, wow! A rainbow! Rainbows are made when sunlight shines through raindrops, making beautiful colors in the sky. We're now at the beach. Let's collect some seashells. They're like tiny treasures left behind by the ocean. How cool are these beautiful fish? This little creature is a crab. Crabs are known for their sideways walk, and hard outer shell, which keeps them safe from predators. Now, we're in the mountains. Mountains are so tall, and majestic. They make a home for many animals, and also help create weather patterns, by blocking wind and changing rainfall. What a great day exploring nature! Nature is really cool, isn't it? It's a big beautiful playground full of exciting discoveries waiting for us. I hope you enjoyed our nature walk. Remember, every plant, animal, and natural phenomenon plays a crucial role in our ecosystem. So, let's take care of nature and keep our environment clean and healthy. Until next time, happy exploring! End of video.